dear friends. Today, I want to take you on a delicious journey through my favorite mochi creations. Each one unique in color, flavor, and mood. These little treats are more than just desserts. They're emotions you can taste. Let's begin with blue Curaçao mochi. Inspired by the Caribbean island itself, this mochi captures its colorful spirit. The center is bright and citrusy, with a hint of spice and a green note like the tropical trees. The creamy core is like the golden sands of Curaçao beaches, surrounded by a deep blue ocean. Next is tropical paradise mochi. Its vibrant green heart tastes like lime and pitahaya, wild and refreshing like the jungle. In the middle, smooth banana and white chocolate bring sweet tropical calm. All wrapped in soft pink pitahaya, a burst of tropical joy in every bite. Then comes Crema Limoncello mochi. This one celebrates the famous lemons of southern Italy. A rich lemon zest center, a light and creamy filling, and a sunny yellow lemony shell. It's like summer in Sorrento, wrapped in mochi. Our next mochi is Bounty Mochi, a melt-in-your-mouth chocolate and coconut filling, hugged by a soft white shell, creamy, dreamy, and indulgent, like a bite of paradise. Then we have Mango Vanilla Mochi, a bright explosion of flavor. Sweet, ripe orange mango in the center, with a creamy layer to balance the tang. The soft mango vanilla shell wraps it all up into pure sunshine. Now, meet Strawberry Mochi, made with the juice of ripe summer strawberries. A fluffy, creamy filling softens the berry's brightness, and it's all tucked into a sweet strawberry shell. Classic lovers will enjoy Matcha Mochi, a gentle blend of Japanese green tea and soft cream. Earthy, smooth, and deeply comforting. And for something bold, try the Blackcurrant chocolate mochi. It's for the adventurous soul, a vibrant blackcurrant center, creamy chocolate layer, and a blackcurrant shell again. Sweet, sour, rich, all at once. And the best part? Every mochi I make is sugar-free, free from artificial colors or additives. I only use healthy ingredients, including tropical plant powders for natural color and flavor. You can always find a mochi to match your mood. Bright, bold, or calming. Mochi is more than dessert. It's joy in a bite.